Now, let's have a small introduction to Python. Python is a high-level, versatile programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It emphasizes code readability and a clean syntax, making it beginner-friendly and widely used across different domains. So, why Python? It's easy to learn, versatility, and large community. Python's clean syntax and simplicity makes it easier to understand and write code. Versatility because Python supports a wide range of applications including web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Large community. Python has a vast community of developers who contribute to its extensive library of tools and frameworks. So now, let's have a small example, that is Hello World program. It's a traditional introductory program to display Hello World on the screen. In the below, you can see an example code where we have given a function called print, and inside that we have something called Hello World, and the output that we get is Hello World. Moving on, we have a simple calculation, that is a program to perform a simple calculation and display the result. So in the below you can see there is a and B. So we have assigned A 5 and B 3. So the result is nothing but A plus B, that is 5 plus 3. So again in the print statement, what we have given is the result is and whatever the result that we are getting. So at the end, the output that we get is the result is 8 because 5 plus 3 is 8. Next, there is something called conditional statement, a program to check condition and execute different block of code based on the result. Example, so we have given a age equals to 18. So first we check if age is greater than or equal to 18, we print you are an adult. If that's not the case, else we print you are not an adult. It's a simple program. If the age is greater than 18, you print you are an adult, or else you just print you are not an adult. So the value that we have given right now is 18. So you will be getting an output as you are an adult. But if you give age equals to 17, which is lesser than 18, then at that point you should be getting an output as you are not an adult yet. Python's rich ecosystem. Python offers a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks for various purposes. Web development. In web development, we can use Django, Flask. Data analysis, NumPy, Pandas. Machine learning, TensorFlow, scikit-learn. Web scraping, Beautiful Soup. GUI development, Knitr, PyQt. In the upcoming courses or upcoming new courses, you will be learning many more technologies like Django, NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, machine learning, and many more. So for now, this is enough.